Hello guys, we are trying to find the integral of sine 4x cos 4x dx. So we go step by step. We say let u be sine 4x, so that du will be, this will be 4 cos 4x dx. Now to find cos 4x dx, it will be now be divided by 4, so that will be du over 4, so that can get this to substitute for here. So we can now rewrite. So we can now rewrite the original equation as, so this now will be, original equation was integral of sine 4x cos 4x dx. Now this will be written as, instead of sine 4x we write u, because sine 4x is u, so this one will be u, and then cos 4x dx now will be this one, so times du over 4. This is the same as saying 1 over 4, because this one is a constant. You can take it outside the integral. This will be u du, which will be 1 over 4. U is 1 plus 1 all over 1 plus 1 plus a constant c, constant of integration, and this will now give us 1 over 4 u squared over 2. So it will be 1 over 4 into brackets u squared over 2, which is what I've written here, plus a constant of integration. So this will be u squared, this will be now u squared over 8 plus c. But remember, our u was sine 4x, so now you can substitute. This way this will be here, now u squared, it will be sine 4x squared all over 8 plus a constant c of integration. This can be written as 1 over 8. Okay, this now can be written as 1 over 8 sine 4x squared plus c, which can be also be written as 1 over 8 into brackets, no, can be written as 1 over 8 sine squared of 4x, then squared 4x plus c. Thank you.